I wanted to take a few minutes to talk about the importance of cost versus benefit, right? Everyone always talks about, when we're engaging new clients, they come to us, they say, what's it going to cost me? How much is it going to set me back, right? And that's just a totally wrong way to think about, when you're investing in an accounting firm, when you're hiring professionals to put onto your team. That's really what it comes down to. You're really putting and working with professionals to put on your team. And I think whenever you break it down, if you're looking at it as an expense, then your whole business acumen could be slightly off, right? When you're hiring people onto your team, the whole point is to make your team better, to grow your business, right? People talk about tax planning. We always talk to clients about tax planning. We talk to clients about bookkeeping. We just finished the 2018 tax season, and tons of clients are now reaching out to us asking about how can we plan for 2019, right? What's it going to cost me to plan, right? Well, the cost versus benefit, right? If you're spending as a business owner, let's say 10 hours a week, which is pretty reasonable, doing your books and records, well, that's 10 hours away from your primary business, your bread and butter, the money-making activities, revenue-generating activities that you're not focusing on, because 10 hours of your time is going to your books. But if you outsource that to someone, say for $1,000 a month, give or take, right? Who knows what it would be? That extra activity now becomes more revenue generating for yourself. Let the accounting firm take care of the books and records, find you more deductions, maximize your profits, and let yourself take care of the business, operating your employees, operating your business revenue, generating more revenue for your company, right? You talk about tax planning, for example, the cost versus benefit of tax planning. Well, if we're doing a tax plan for you, and we're going to save you $25,000 on your taxes this year and also every year moving forward, wouldn't it make sense for us to put those tax plans into place, the planning strategies in session, for $5,000, right? Your return on investment would be huge. Pay $5,000 for the tax plan today in order to save $100,000 over the next 4 years. If someone said, hey, I'll hand you a check for $100,000, but you have to give me a check for $5,000, right? I mean, you would do that nonstop. You would do that as many times as you could, over and over and over and over again. There's no difference. The business acumen that you must have is the ROI, return on investment. If you're paying a lawyer, an accountant, whoever, $5,000, and in return you're going to get $100,000, you should do that every time over. So just want to talk briefly about that. Contact us, Grayson Tax and Consulting. We're doing a lot of tax planning and tax review strategies this summer. So give us a